everyone, Eugene here and my sidekick, Miss Trixie. You got your new boost bottle kit in the mail, okay? I'm gonna show you everything you need to know how to properly install your boost bottle kit on your motorized bike. That way you can have incredible performance that your boost bottle can offer you here. It's incredible. Now, a little history about before we get, now leave your boost bottle in the box. You just got it in the mail. It's important, leave it in the box because we're gonna go over placement. That's critical, okay? But way back in the day, back when I had long hair and I listened to the Doobie Brothers, China Grove on the AM radio back in the day, back in the 70s it was, I think. Yamaha, Husqvarna, the big motorcycle manufacturers, they put boost bottles on some of their two-strokes. And they were highly engineered products. And they sized the intake and all of that, and the boost bottle would hold a charge of air and fuel and release it just at the right time to help the power curve on the bike where they wanted it to, and they engineered it accordingly. Now, these boost bottle kits here that we get for the motorized bikes, they're engineered for cost savings. That way, well, not that you're not going to pay so much for it, but the engineering is so they can make them real cheap, okay? So we've got our bike. It's important that you have your tools for installation, okay? You need your tools. You're ready. You got the bike ready. Hey, Miss Trixie, get on out of there. Go, go. Thank you. So placement is critically important on your bike, where you put this thing to get optimum performance. Hold on, let me get this trash can over here. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your boost bottle in the box and throw it in the trash. That's the only place these boost bottles are good for. You wasted your money, don't buy a boost bottle, okay? You got a few extra bucks, buy you a ported cylinder, buy you the Dremel tool and do it yourself. That's a waste of money right there, in the trash, okay? Check the link down below. I'll show you my suggestions for performance. Doesn't take a lot of money, so you can get some good performance out of this here, and maybe you can get your money back on the boost bottle. Give me a thumbs up, click subscribe. Thanks for watching.